Friends, in this video I will show you the complete review, specifications and features of vivo v25e mobile phone. This mobile phone is available in two different colors. The first color is orange and the second color is black. Vivo v25e is the latest model of Vivo company. The look of this smartphone is very beautiful. The company experienced the different tests before launching the mobile phone, such as drop test, plugging in and unplugging test, and extreme environment test extra. This is very lightweighted and slimmer mobile phone with beautiful look and comfortable grip. All the main cameras of this mobile phone are fitted in the back side of this smartphone in a designed window. The back camera of this mobile phone is 64 megapixel and the front camera of this mobile phone is 32 megapixel. With the help of these cameras you can take photos of very high resolutions and record videos of HD quality and 4K quality. Vivo v25e mobile phone is built in MediaTek processor. You will get continuously stable performance while consuming less power. Vivo v20e mobile phone is available with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. The type of display of this mobile phone is OLED display. This type of display is eye care display, which protect your eyes from side effects. Vivo v25e is best for gaming. You can play game of your own desire on this mobile phone. During playing the game, the RAM of this mobile phone is extended up to 4GB. This mobile phone is available with 44-watt flash charge. This charger charge the 58% battery just in 30 minutes. The battery power of this mobile phone is 4500 mAh, so you can switch it on for a long time. So this was the complete review of Vivo v25e. If you like this video, subscribe the channel to watch the reviews of models of mobile phones.